Hey guys, this is such a random video. I'm so sorry, but everybody has been commenting on my Musical.ly account. Lily, which one do you like better? Do you like crimp and soaked in milk? Or those freaking, I don't even know what they were, but there's like these tree things. And so I said, I don't know. I never tried them. So I went out to the store and I bought them. And I'm going to try them, see which one's better, because the same person, I don't even know who it is doing it. By the way, guys, I sprained my hand. So, yeah. That's what's going on right now. So, let me get a spoon. So, first we're going to try the crimpet one. Oh, it smells really good. So, I'm going to try one without icing, one with icing. So, let's just break this up, I guess, and put it in the milk. Ow, it just hit my finger. It said soak it for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it said mush it all up. So now I'm going to try it. Oh my god, it's so good. Whoa. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm so happy about this. I mean, I tried strawberry flavored crumpets. I didn't really like them. So, I decided to get a different kind. Next, we're going to try the tree one. Ouch, fudge. That hurts. Oops. Oh, there's icing in it. Okay. Just going to dip this one in. Wait to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. I cannot even choose. Literally cannot even choose. There's literally no way I can choose. Both so good. One flaw about the Christmas trees. This one instantly gets milk in it. Like, watch. Instantly has milk in it. The trees, I have to give them a minute. This crimpet is good. I don't know. I think I like the crimpet more. Yeah, I think I like the crimpet more. So yeah, if you guys are following my Musical.ly account, or if you're not, you definitely should go ahead and just, yeah, this answers your questions, I guess. And, yeah, like and subscribe to my channel, follow my Musical.ly, like my videos, feature me, and yeah, like and subscribe.